rhyme time! To play, press the green button. Hello, it is I, your furry train driver, Grover. Climb aboard the Rhyme Time Express and help me pick up train cars that rhyme. Here we go! Let us ride and rhyme again! Help me to drive to the rhyming rail yard. To go faster or slower, move this thingamabob.
Pear, pear, pear.
Choo-choo!
Pear, 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 pear.
We are get ready to rhyme! When words rhyme, they end in the same sounds. A fork in the road. Choose the picture that rhymes with pear, whale, bat, chair. Pear, chair, bat, chair, chair, pear. Terrific! They end in the same sounds. Catch each falling chair. Move the train car back and forth. You are a very good catcher. Nice catching. Ha-ha! Terrific catching. Ha-ha! Terrific catching. Nice catching. Nice catching! We need one more train car. Keep driving!
Pear, chair, pear, chair, pear, chair, pear. Pear, chair, 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 pear, chair,
Easy does it!
pear, chair, pear, chair, pear, chair, chair, pear,
Choo-choo!
pear.
Almost there! Get ready to rhyme! Another fork in the road. Let us see. Choose the picture that rhymes with pear and chair. Bear, mug, star, bear, star, mug, star, bear, bear, star, 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 star? Try again. Bear, bear, star? That does not end in pear. Pear. Star. Star. Pear. 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 Chair. That is right. They rhyme. Catch each falling pear. Move the train car back and forth. Nice catching. Ha-ha! Terrific catching. Ha-ha! Terrific catching. Nice catching. You are a very good catcher. Nice catching! We did it! Now Now let us chugga to the station.
Pear, chair, bear, pear.
We are moving.
Pear,
Going
chair,
down.
bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear,
Going
chair,
down.
pear,
We are
chair, bear.
moving
Pear,
now.
chair, bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair,
down.
bear. Pear, chair, bear. Pear, chair.
We did it! Now let us drop off our train cars at the station. Wait a minute. This does not look like a choo-choo station.
It's the Moo Moo Station.
To play again, choose the ticket.